global movement, Women Power. It's been taken to different countries wherein we already have presence in more than 20 countries. And we have chapters across Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and Pan India we have. And globally also, as I mentioned, that in more than 20 countries, we have a presence of this global women empowerment movement, which has been started by Dr. D.K. Bakshi, and from India, Dr. Kiran Bedi, who's Lieutenant Governor Pondicherry, and I think she doesn't require any introduction further. She is the first face of this movement. And I am honored and delighted to be part of this movement and heading Mumbai, Maharashtra. And along with me is Miss Niti Sharma, who will be, Sutradhar to
Yes.
and as I mentioned, that it's a global program, though we cater to our national citizens also. So the format that we have kept is it's a bilingual program wherein some questions, conversation would be in English and some would be in Hindi. And so I'm really, really, really honored to have a women with us who's women of substance, of excellence. So these certain adjectives we normally we see with so many women, but today the one whom we have with us, she is among the top 100 women of the country who was awarded by President of India. And she has got more than, like, if I just count down, it would be more than 100 achievements, 100 awards she has been given by different communities, by different people. And I'm really excited, and I am thrilled to listen to her success story. And Nebomita, I will just request you, she has got so many things. She founded nebomita.com, and wherein what she's doing, what is the objective of nebomita.com, I think I will request her to share that story and what they are doing and how they are doing. She has been awarded by Ministry of Women and Child Development also, wherein she is doing so many good work with the Minister of Child and Development, our Honorable Mrs. Menka Gandhi, and she's very closely associated with her. And see, though she is awarded by President of India, but I'm just, why I'm telling this, because I'm just trying to tell the closeness of her humanity uh, question, wherein she has put Menka Gandhi's photograph with her on her DP.
So sweet.
So that is what, like, she is a pet lover. Then she as we were just discussing, she's taking so many initiative wherein the ecosystem is to be balanced, and that is reflecting even from her attire today, that she's totally green. So I'm really happy to have you, Nebomita, again. And Nebomita, who's somebody who's passionate and persistent, positive, and thus she is an achiever, a performer. And I'm excited to listen from the horse's mouth that how she went through all within such a small time frame, that she achieved so many accolades. And as it has been said, mirror, mirror on the wall, mirror, mirror on the wall, I will get up each time I fall, whether I have to crawl, limp, or look small. I will stand tall and achieve it all. So this is what Nebomita reflects from her journey. And I will request my co-host Niti Sharma also to welcome her, and then we will open the forum for Nebomita. Miss
जी
Niti.
हाँ, ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड. अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार, शुभ संध्या, शुभो शोंधो आप सभी को. ग्लोबल टैलेंट कंपनी की चलाई हुई ये मुहिम, जिसका नाम है #women power a global movement. कहा जाता है भविष्य उन लोगों का है जो अपने सपनों की सुंदरता पे विश्वास रखे. और साथियों, आज जो हस्ती आज हमारे साथ बातचीत के लिए तैयार है, उन्होंने भी अपने सपने की सुंदरता पे विश्वास रखा और आगे कदम बढ़ाया. शी इज नन अदर देन फाउंडर ऑफ nebomita.com, a president awardee, and more than that, उससे भी कहीं ज्यादा, यदि मैं बोलूं, टॉप 100 women of India. Oh my God, honor to talk to you. आज मेरा दिल गदगद है नेबोमिता जी, आपके सामने आपसे बातचीत करके दिल खुश कर दिया. आइए नेबोमिता जी का वेलकम करते हैं. वेलकम नेबोमिता जी, लेकिन पहले अंशुल जी.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I think without wasting time, I would just love to listen from Nebomita's side and Dr. Bakshi is also joining us, in welcoming her.
Yeah.
He's there, and we will have him on video also during the course of journey today on this show. So Nebomita, just would like to, understand from you. Uh, See, normally when we talk about IT companies or IT organizations or technology, so there are huge buildings, that come to our mind. Tall offices and the commercial complexes, which have all glass building and, the hi-fi furniture and all the gadgets that is there. But their names are nowhere in, the list of top hundreds. But if I talk about you, yes, you are among the top 100 women power of the India. Yet, when you started your organization, there was no physical office, right? You started, and I think I would request you to share that story, that how all it happened, and how you progressed so well, and you achieved so much in such a short span of time. So, Nebomita, please.
Thank you so much. Namaskar
Hmm.
and बहुत धन्यवाद नीति जी. Anshul, I cannot thank you enough. Dr. Bakshi, I'm so grateful. Uh, I mean, kind words. इतने सारे अच्छे वर्ड मैंने सुना है
Yeah.
कि पिछले कुछ दिन से मुझे थोड़ा बुखार था, बट बुखार मेरा तो अब पहले ही ठीक हो गया था. ऑल थैंक्स टू अंशुल.
जी.
अभी मुझे और ज्यादा एनर्जी मिल रहा है टू डू अ लॉट मोर. I'm really grateful to be here. I'm really grateful to be allowed to share my story. Yes, exactly as Anshul said. Uh, I I may still do not have a physical office. I work from home. I work from a living room, bedroom, whenever. I can even take a Zoom call from my kitchen. It doesn't bother me. As long as it is revenue, I work. So yes, all those glass buildings and offices, I'm grateful that we have them around. But at the same point of time, the product that I built is building or have already built. I did not need any of those offices. So to all you women there, I'm a woman just like you. I did not have an IIT degree. I am not the top IQ score person. I'm grateful to have received an education, which definitely is the backbone to what I tried doing in life. And of course, I only work from home. I do not step out anywhere, and I'm bootstrapped. I have never raised any fund for any of my products. It has already always been bootstrapped. And yes, I'm grateful that they have always worked, and only God could have done this. I'm even acknowledged for what I have built. So if you're a woman out there and you believe that you can't leave home, you cannot, you don't have much funds to start a product, you're not exactly technical to work in any of these technology ideas or in anything, well, you should rethink, because I'm exactly you. I'm exactly your flaws. You have better strength than me. You are better educated than me. You're far better and smarter than me. So I'm all your flaws, and here I am. So if you believe in, let's do it together.
Yeah, certainly. So lovely. It's amazing, And so Nebomita, so when talk about your story, you started from, and what you mentioned, that you still have, you do not have any physical office, and you can take your work from the house, from kitchen, from bedroom, from living room, or from any place for that matter. So the question arises, then how come it happened that you had 3 million people, right, joined your community? So just share that story wherein it's just, when we say billion, so it's just a single word. But if we start counting, so many zeros, come to that number, that figure.
Okay.
So
This is
having that huge number, it is something, at times beyond imagination. So please share that, how it happened, that thought, that thread that came to your mind, and how you conceptualized and how you implemented that thought, and it was workable, scalable, and sellable also at the same time.
इसको एक चीज हिंदी में और बोल देते हैं। मैम, मैंने आपका प्रोफाइल विजिट किया, जब चीजें देख रही थी तो मुझे एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी जो बहुत प्यारी सी थी कि लिविंग रूम से, हाँ, विदाउट स्पेंडिंग अ पेनी, लाइक 1 रुपया खर्च किए बिना, जब हम सोचते हैं, व्हेन वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, जब हम ये सोचते हैं कि हम नया कारोबार शुरू करेंगे तो इतना पैसा चाहिए, ये चाहिए, सेटअप चाहिए, बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, और वो सोचते ही हम लोग नीचे बैठ जाते हैं। लेकिन जब मैं जब आपको सुनी, आज बहुत सारी चीजें देख रही थी, तो उसमें एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत चीज ये उभर के आई कि एक लिविंग रूम से 1 पैनी खर्च किए बिना आपने इतना खूबसूरत सेटअप किया है। तो हर एक स्त्री या हर एक पुरुष जो घर पे बैठे हैं, जो ये देख रहे हैं, उनके लिए एक मोटिवेशन है कि एक सपना होना चाहिए। वो जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि एक सपने पे विश्वास, खूबसूरत विश्वास आप कैसे रख सकते हैं, मुझे लग रहा है वही एक सपना जिस पे आपने विश्वास किया। तो वो सपने को लेकर आप जब आगे बढ़े, विदाउट, और स्पेशली मुझे से लेडी जो एक्चुअली घर पे रहना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करती हैं, तो आपने मुझे एक बहुत मोटिवेशन दिया आज कि लिविंग रूम में बैठ के, चाहे मैं ड्राइंग रूम में हूँ चाहे किचन में हूँ, और एक पैनी खर्च किए बिना भी हम लोग बहुत कुछ अचीव कर सकते हैं। तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और बताएं आप।
जी बिल्कुल नीति जी, हम लोगों का ना, हम ना अपने सोच से ही खुद को मार लेते हैं, राइट। हमें लगता है हम घर पे बैठे हैं तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते। और पिछले 1 साल से हमने देखा दुनिया में कोई भी आदमी घर पे बैठे सब कुछ कर रहा है, दुनिया चला रहा है, कंपनी चला रहा है, सब कुछ कर रहा है, राइट। बट देन सदियों से हमारे दिमाग में बेड़ियां डाल दी गई थी। हमें ये बताया गया था कि हम सक्षम नहीं है, हम कभी भी काबिल नहीं बन सकते, राइट। और कहीं भी हम जाके थोड़ा सा भी हमें कोई मात दे दे, कोई हार मिल जाए, तो हमें फिर से कोई मौका भी नहीं देने वाला है।
जी।
लोग हम पे ज्यादा शक करेंगे, हम पे विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, हमें दूसरा मौका कोई नहीं देगा। ये सारी बातें इतनी, इतनी, मुझे बोलना ही चाहिए, इतनी भयानक है कि वो उतना ही काफी है किसी को पहले ही हार मान के घर हार मान के एकदम बैठ जाने में, ना कि कोशिश करने में। पर एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम उसी जगह पे आप देखिए, एक दूसरी चीज मेरे लिए काम की, एंड मुझे लगता है वही चीज पे अगर ध्यान दिया जाए तो दुनिया का कोई भी एक्सक्यूज एनफ नहीं होगा। वो बात है जो अंशुल जी ने मुझे क्वेश्चन किया था, वही उसी बात पे मैं आ रही हूँ कि आई कॉल इट अ 2 AM प्रॉब्लम। रात को 2 बजे जो चीज आपको जगा के रखेगी, आप वो चीज पे लाइफ में फोकस रहोगे ना, आप कहीं भी लाइफ में पहुंच सकते हो। लेट मी टेल यू हाउ। So this was the final term, Anshulji, this was the final term at XLRI, wherein we were shown a presentation about HR community. Now, at that point of time, HR communities was very different. It was year 2006, right? Communities per se were Google groups or Yahoo groups. Most of us might not have even seen those products because Yahoo and Google have pulled down those products. But then that was the idea of community, and whatever that was shown to me at XLRI, I did not really like that concept. I felt it was too limiting. I did not feel that was good enough for future. So I literally walked away from that presentation, and I met a very good faculty at XLRI, Dr. Madhukar Shukla. I told him, sir, that this is what the presentation that I saw. I did not really like it. I don't think that this inspires me. He said, you're an MBA student. You're not supposed to like what you see. You're supposed to build what you like. I said, wow, sir, exactly. You understand my brain so much. And then we started talking about HR communities. It was his idea. Mind it, it was not even my idea. So everybody out there, if you're listening to me, I did not even have an idea, right? So he said that an HR community should be open, anonymous, free to use, available on internet. Anybody can just log in, ask any question, get a professional advice, sort any problem, download any amount of document, have a great discussion. I loved it. And it should be anonymous so that people can speak without fear. I love that idea. That idea was so powerful that once I heard it from him, again, I'm an MBA student, remember, I'm not an engineer, so I did not build it. मैं इंटरनेट पे जाके गूगल की, राइट, गूगल करके वेबसाइट को ढूंढा, ये आइडिया, ऐसा कुछ वेबसाइट मुझे खोजने की कोशिश की, और तभी मुझे एक वेबसाइट मिला जो लगभग वो चीज ही कर रही थी, लेकिन हाँ देयर लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस बैक देन, और बहुत छोटी भी थी। तो उसमें मैंने जैसे फेसबुक में जैसे आप पहले दिन एक मेंबर बन के लॉग इन करते हो, मैंने भी एक मेंबर बन के लॉग इन किया था, राइट।
जी
और
जी
लॉग इन करने के बाद जो सर ने आइडिया दिया था प्लस जो मुझे वहां पे पोटेंशियल दिखा, वो प्रोडक्ट मैं वैसे वैसे बनाना शुरू कर दी। वैसा ही इंटरेक्शन किया, फिर फर्स्ट ऑफलाइन चैप्टर पूना में बनाया। फर्स्ट ऑफलाइन चैप्टर इतना सक्सेसफुल हुआ दैट वी हैड चैप्टर्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया एंड इन few cities abroad too. And that was the point of time I got in touch with the person who was building that website. Now this is year 2006, right? 2006 जबकि मेरा MBA खत्म हो चुका था, मुझे एक बहुत बड़ी सपनों की कंपनी में ग्लास बिल्डिंग वाली, सवेरे मुझे क्वाइट शेवरोले लेने आती थी, ऐसी वाली मेरे पास जॉब थी। तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वो बंदे से जब मैंने बात किया, हम लोग दोनों प्लान फर्स्ट कॉल में डिसाइड किए कि फाइन, राइट नाउ जस्ट अ प्रोडक्ट, इट्स नॉट, देयर इज नो रेवेन्यू टू इट, बट एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब ही इसमें रेवेन्यू होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे, अपनी जॉब छोड़ देंगे और इसी को फुल टाइम। She was very excited. उसके बाद मैं मूनलाइट की, राइट। 2006 मूनलाइटिंग वाज अ बैड वर्ड। आई मीन मैंने किसी को घर पे बोला भी नहीं था कि मैं ऑफिस से घर आके क्या करती हूँ, या विंटर में सॉरी वीकेंड में मैं इंटरनेट पे बैठ के क्या करती रहती हूँ, किसी को मैंने नहीं बोला था। मैं यही करती थी, मैं ऑफलाइन चैप्टर्स और क्रिएट की पूना में, और सेशंस कराए और थ्रू आउट द इंडिया एंड थ्रू आउट द कम्युनिटी, जैसे वो प्रोडक्ट बढ़ना चाहिए। प्लस जाके बहुत बड़े बड़े लोगों से मैं मिली, उन लोगों को इसके बारे में बताया, जो इसका रीच बिल्ड करने का काम था मैं करती रही। So after office hours, this was what my life was all about. And then came 2010, wherein the revenue was good enough. So I was glad, I was grateful that I could join it in as full time, and I became a partner to the company. Till to 2016, we were top ranking in Alexa Internet ranking as per the HR community, right? वो पे स्केल और यूएस गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट की जो रैंकिंग थी ना, हम लोग उससे भी ऊपर थे। हमारी वेबसाइट इतनी सही बनी थी, हमारी कम्युनिटी, और वो कम्युनिटी में रोज 1.5-2 लाख लोग आते थे, अपने प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करते थे, हम लोग सोल्यूशंस ढूंढते थे। प्रोडक्ट बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा। इन द मीन टाइम मुझे ये ऑनर मिला। I'm so grateful. This I would definitely want to tell you about this as well, because this literally changed my life.
जी जी
And
We would
उसके
love to
बाद,
actually listen to it. We would love to
थैंक
listen.
यू
Yeah.
थैंक यू। और उसके बाद मुझे सिलिकॉन वैली भी इनवाइट किया गया टू अंडरस्टैंड ये हमने कैसे बनाए। देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट लीडरशिप दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट। आई स्पोक ऑन फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क, एंड ये थॉट लीडरशिप भी मेरी डेवलप हुई, ये प्रोडक्ट बिल्डिंग भी मेरा डेवलप हुआ। So at that point of time, evangelism was pretty new in India, but then I was really inspired to do something seriously about it. So once I returned from US, I started my own firm, and Navamita.com, which is currently which is the one that I'm running right now. It's an evangelizing platform. Now, what is evangelizing? Evangelizing is exactly where your marketing ends. Marketing क्या करती है? दुनिया को बताती है कि आपकी प्रोडक्ट क्या है। इवेंजलाइजिंग क्या करती है? दुनिया आपको बोलती है आपकी प्रोडक्ट क्या है। It has to do a lot with the brand ambassadorship by the people who are using your product, or your own consumers, users, as whatever you may call them. So it's a very inbuilt product. It's a very inbuilt process, and whatever we have done through last 4 years, obviously we have served almost retail, banking, finance, investment, AI, technology, HR services. I mean, a host of sectors we have already served. We have created even we have worked and created even further communities, and we are grateful we have been able to do that. Even now, we are working with a lot of different products. We also received another national award in 2018. So yeah,
Yes.
2 साल मैंने घर से काम किया। उसके बाद मुझे वो अवार्ड मिला। अभी भी मैं घर से काम कर रही हूँ, एंड यस आई ट्रैवल व्हेन आई नीड टू, बट देन या मेरा काम हमेशा चलता रहता है। It doesn't stop.
Great, super.
It's 24/7. So fascinating, so fascinating, Nebomita. And see, you talked about two things. Initially, when we started, you talked about, okay, I can work from home and I can work from anywhere when it comes to some profits or revenues. though the organization that you started, wherein you were giving so much to the HR community by posting whatever laws, norms, and whatever kind of help they were needed at that point of time. And as much I know, it was all free of cost, right?
Yes, yes.
Great. Oh my God.
So, so what is that thing that having more than 3 billion people on that community and giving so much to them and everything free of cost? So, what was the revenue model in this particular aspect wherein so many people are associated? So, how you were generating money with your that concept?
अंशुल जी, हमारा काम जो आप कर रहे हैं ना, ये कम्युनिटी में कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं था, राइट? इट्स जस्ट दैट वी वर सर्विंग अ डिफरेंट सेगमेंट, अ डिफरेंट सेक्टर, तो थोड़ी अप्रोच डिफरेंट रही होगी. यहाँ पे आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो एग्जैक्टली? व्हाई आर सो मेनी पीपल लिसनिंग टू अस और इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट राइट नाउ विद यू? एक एक जरूरत है, राइट? एक कहीं पे किसी की ख्वाहिश है, राइट? And that particular need, that particular vision is bringing everybody else together towards a common goal, and that is the main binding gel, right? That's exactly how communities worldwide, irrespective of whatever segment or sector you're building, is built. Now, obviously, even this needs to be profitable, obviously, and this is exactly what my why I moved from SiteHR and started building Navamita.com, because that's the exact reason. I mean, that's the exact wave that I saw, and I started my own company. For SiteHR, we definitely had a very good Google revenue because we used to receive around 1.5-2 lakh people a day. So our Google ranking was very high, our Google traffic was very high. So that's how we were profitable. Other than that, we had created a lot of ad revenues, right, with companies. And essentially, we were not just selling banner ads or emailers. ये सब हम नहीं sell कर रहे थे, database कभी नहीं sell करते थे. We were very, very, very strict about our entire
Content.
complete member base. हम किसी की information कभी नहीं share किए. But then we realized that we can actually create a lot better kind of a marketing program within the community, because we don't need to sell anything. Our members knew exactly what they want to buy. So if we understand that, right, we just need to connect the two, right? We don't need to sell anything. हमें कुछ नहीं बेचना है. हमने कभी डिस्काउंट कूपन या ये सब हमने कभी मेल नहीं किया. एटलीस्ट 2016 तक तो कभी नहीं करनी पड़ी. बट हाँ, नीड जनरेशन वो समझ में आया और उसी से हमारा रेवेन्यू आ गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2016 के बाद Navamita.com मैंने बहुत जितने कम्युनिटीज बनाए उसमें एक बनाई थी कि एक कंपनी थी, उसकी मार्केट जो मार्केट रिक्वायरमेंट थी, मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटीज थे, वो एक स्टैग्नेंट, एक बॉटलनेक में आ गई थी. तो उन लोगों को नए क्लाइंट्स नहीं मिल रहे थे, तो हमने एक कम्युनिटी बनाया और कम्युनिटी में समझने की कोशिश किया कि एग्जैक्टली ये सारे जो डिसीजन मेकर्स होते हैं उनको चाहिए क्या. तो उस हिसाब से एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हमारी बनी. दिस इज नॉट रिसर्च, रिसर्च इज डिफरेंट, राइट? दिस इज एन एंगेजमेंट. उस अंडरस्टैंडिंग से हमने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया और प्रोडक्ट को टेस्ट रन किया. टेस्ट रन इतना सक्सेसफुल हुआ कि वो कंपनी को वो प्रोडक्ट बेचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, मार्केटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. देयर वाज साइन अप राइट थ्रू द कम्युनिटी. So this is what the entire revenue model is, and this is how we drive it. This is exactly what I felt after 2016, that SiteHR was extremely successful, at least till 2016. But then I realized that a gated community is good, but the concept of evangelizing is far more open than just one community. The concept of evangelization is entirely an ungated concept, right? Anybody anywhere, anybody anywhere who's using the product may not join your community, may not sign up, right? आपको membership fee शायद नहीं दे रहे, या आपका emailer शायद नहीं ले रहे, but वो फिर भी आपका user है. So at the end of the day, that person is a part of your entire target audience that you're trying to reach. So that's where the I found evangelizing far bigger, and I got started with it. So this is a very different revenue model which companies are very serious about, because उनको क्या चाहिए कि yes, they are already spending a lot of lot of revenue in marketing, sales, advertising, book already कर रहे हैं. Sponsorship is the main wave how any media tech or media product is is running in the market. But then there are a lot higher concept of building engagement, and that's exactly what we do for the company, and that's exactly what our revenue model is. हम उनके लिए engagement build करते हैं, हमें revenue मिल जाता है.
Wow, that's
Great.
भगवान के आशीर्वाद से.
great to know that. So see, after listening to this, one question that comes to my mind is that so many advertisements come, where at different platforms. Yet sometimes a question comes that how responsible are you towards the community as a whole, the generic community I'm talking about, the country I'm talking about, or the people of country, not the ones who are your clients, but the ones who are the users or the end users of those particular products or those brands. So what responsibility do you take in terms of do you have any kind of assessment process wherein only the certified brands or certified products would be there on your website, or it could be like whosoever is coming, or it's just a business model, if they are paying you money you can advertise them. So how it happens, and what is your responsibility as the person who's encouraging others to use those products? So please share about that, Nibumita.
Anshulji, ideally, a company should do a research, right? And a research can only be trusted because it has data in it. But for us, it's a deep engagement, right? Almost everybody in, Naumita.com is a multi-channel, a multi-channel platform. It's not just one channel. It's not just one Twitter. It's not just one YouTube or one Facebook or one LinkedIn. It's a lot of, it's a combination of many channels. And in those channels, whoever is talking to me, I am talking to them, right? And the engagement is one-to-one. I mean, for example, there was one tweet I sent 2 days back, and that tweet have already crossed 3 million impressions on Twitter.
Oh,
And there are almost 8,000 likes, 3,000 retweets, and almost 100 plus people who are already speaking to me on that particular tweet. I'm responding to them, right? To me, I know when we scale up, this might sound odd, which is why yes, at certain points, I'm grateful to my team. They're definitely extremely, they're in many ways they're more efficient than me. This is exactly what we look forward to building. Look, um, with all due respect to the technology product, at the end of the day, at the heart of every community is human beings, right? If I do not talk to them, if I do not know what they're answering, how am I even supposed to know what they are thinking? So yes, I do have a filter. I have a strong filter against adult content. I do know adult content. I do know racial or anti-India content. Nothing like that. I was offered a lot of products in those segments. I mean, globally politically driven products that are too well paying. But no, I have time and again refused such mandates. I do not sign into that. I sign into what very closely to everybody who I'm talking to believes in. And yes, I know that because I am talking to them. If they are sending me anything, right? If it's a tweet, it's a comment, it's probably a direct message, anything, I'm going to read it. I'm going to answer to it. Even if it is too much, I mean, if it gets really 1,000 plus comments or 2,000 3,000 comments and I cannot answer it, I'm still aware of what those were. Even if I'm not the only person who's answering it, I still know it. So that's how deep engagement. Even with SiteHR, that's exactly was my process. Every post, I mean, we had a dashboard in which we could see any post that was being posted by anywhere across the world, across the time frame. And take my words, that dashboard would actually keep me awake because it was very exciting. At 2 a.m. in the morning, I would suddenly see a post from somebody writing something. I would, I mean, till 2016, till 2006 to 2015, I was aware of every post made in that entire community. No matter how million, whatever number it runs to, I know what exactly. I may not answer it all the time because it's a very expert oriented platform, unlike Naumita.com, wherein I can go and answer anybody. Uh, Over here, that's exactly my case. If there is a tweet and I have not answered it, I will go and answer it the moment I have time slated for it. So yes,
That's called
that's totally
determination.
how we work.
That's great. So fair.
निबोमिता जी, ये तो आपका हो गया एक करियर। अब आपके थोड़ा पारिवारिक बारे में भी जान लिया जाए कि आपके परिवार से आपको कैसे सपोर्ट मिला, आपका थोड़ा सा बचपन का, ताकि वो जो लोग बाग हमें सुन रहे हैं उनका थोड़ा सा, उनकी थोड़ी मजा और मस्ती भी, इंस्पिरेशन भी मिले, उनको ये पता चले कि एक्चुअली निबोमिता को इतना बड़ा परवरिश करके और हमारे सामने उपस्थित कराने के लिए कहाँ से मोटिव उनको मिला, निबोमिता का बचपन कैसा था, उनके परिवार से उनको कैसे सपोर्ट मिला, और एक्चुअली जो लेडीज हमें देख भी रही हैं, जो भी देख रहे हैं हमें इस समय, जो भी वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड पे देख रहे हैं, उनको ये इंस्पिरेशन मिले कि हाउ अ पेरेंट, पेरेंट्स की भी क्या भूमिका रहती है किसी बच्चे को बड़ा करने में, और वो कैसे उनके थॉट प्रोसेस पे काम कर सकते हैं अभी से, जिनके बच्चे छोटे हैं या बड़े हो चुके हैं। तो प्लीज बताइए आपका, और एक क्वेश्चन और है मेरा, आपका नाम बहुत प्यारा है निबोमिता, उसका मतलब बताइएगा।
थैंक यू जी, जरूर जरूर, डेफिनेटली, थैंक यू। नीति जी,
जी,
वो बुक है ना आउटलायर, वो बुक बहुत सच है, राइट?
ओके,
कोई भी इंसान खुद से सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है,
ट्रू,
तो वो सक्सेसफुल होता है इधर 100 आवर्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस की वजह से, या फिर
जी,
उसके आसपास के लोगों की वजह से। आई एम
जी,
एग्जैक्टली दैट। इट्स नॉट दैट कि मेरे पेरेंट्स या मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे स्पून फीड किया ये बनने के लिए, नहीं, बट बिना उनके मैं ये नहीं बन सकती थी। कैसे? ये लीजिए, मेरी मम्मी, मम्मी से पहले मैं शुरू करती हूँ। मेरी मम्मी वाइस प्रिंसिपल एक सीबीएसई स्कूल में थी, जहाँ पे वो बोर्ड पेपर्स चेक करती थी। उसके साथ, दैट वाज नॉट द ओनली करियर, उसके साथ शी ran a महिला समाज, which is a I mean a non-profit organization। वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को उन्होंने महिलाओं के उद्योग के लिए इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट सब कुछ बना के बेचते थे वो लोग, इतना अच्छा उनकी मार्केटिंग और रीच थी कि ड्यूरिंग माय मास टेन्योर वो नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रॉफिटेबल हो गई, कि उनको सीए बोलना पड़ा कि मैडम हम लोगों को भी टैक्स फाइल करना पड़ेगा, आपने अगर और रेवेन्यू जनरेट किया तो।
जी, जी,
मम्मी एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं थी, बट ये मम्मी ने किया। साथ में मम्मी लोक अदालत भी प्रेसाइड करती थी, जहाँ पे वो रेड लाइट एरिया के वुमेन और उनके बच्चों को रिहेबिलिटेट करती थी, और उनके बच्चे, आई मीन मैं जानती हूँ उनके
जी,
बहुत सारे वहां से बच्चों ने जो स्कूल में मम्मी ने उनको कराया था एडमिशन, वहां पे बच्चों ने क्लास 10 बोर्ड एग्जाम में टॉप किया था, राइट? सारा एजुकेशन सपोर्ट मम्मी सब उनका कराती थी थ्रू दैट लोक अदालत। उसके साथ मम्मी ने एक हेल्थ कैंप चलाया, जो हफ्ते में 2 दिन एक जगह पे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट चलाते
क्या बात, जी,
किया जाता था फॉर वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड, राइट? और उसके साथ मम्मी ने 3 बेटियों को बड़ा किया, पति, ससुराल वाले, माँ बाप, सबको देखा। ये
क्या
देखने के
बात,
बाद मुझे अभी अभी भी आज भी जब मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ ना, मेरा वीकेंड में सबसे अच्छा मेरा वीकेंड इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ, उसके बाद मैं बस काम करूंगी, घर पे ही रहूंगी। मेरी
जी,
मम्मी अभी पहले एक जगह पे, आई मीन वो इस्कॉन में एक सत्संग में गई है, इस्कॉन के सत्संग में। वहां उसके बाद वो इस्कॉन के वहां पे लेडीज के साथ उनका स्लीप ओवर है। उसके
ओ
बाद वो
ग्रेट,
कल एक जगह पे पिकनिक जा रही है, क्योंकि उनका इस्कॉन का यूथ फेस्टिवल है। पिकनिक
ओके,
के बाद वो लोग वापस आके फिर से स्लीप ओवर करने वाले हैं, और एकादशी सेलिब्रेट करके मम्मी घर जाएंगी।
वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट, मतलब हैट्स ऑफ टू हर फर्स्ट।
Yeah, hats off to your mother. And
इवन नाउ that's a schedule, and look at my schedule. She is way ahead of me, and just because of उनकी वजह से ही
जी,
मुझे हमेशा लगा कि हाँ भाई मुझे और कुछ करना है, मैंने काफी नहीं किया है, मुझे
जी,
और आगे करना है। मैं प्रोडक्ट बना रही हूँ, मैंने आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि मैंने हाँ देश के लिए मुझे कुछ तो करने को मिला है अभी भी।
जी,
कॉन्फिडरेशन का काम है, जितने भी मेरे पास काम आते हैं ना, फिर भी मुझे लगता है नहीं मैं कमी कर रही हूँ, जब द मोमेंट आई हियर मेरी मम्मी का रूटीन आज का क्या है।
ओके,
दैट्स फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकंड थिंग इज मेरे
जी,
नाना जी टाटा स्टील में जॉब करते थे। ही वाज वेरी सक्सेसफुल देयर, बट देन दैट वाज नॉट द ओनली करियर ही हैड।
ओके,
विद दैट ही वाज एन एक्टिव जर्नलिस्ट, राइट? उन्होंने बहुत सारे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज लिखा, और जिसकी वजह से उनको बहुत सारा बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी आए। He was an active journalist with Bleach, a very old newspaper. वो UNI PTI में थे, वो PTI के लिए वो लिखते थे। उसके साथ उन्होंने सोशल डेवलपमेंट में इतना काम किया था कि जमशेदपुर में वो रहते थे,
जी,
जमशेदपुर नागरिक कल्याण समिति ने उनको सर्वश्रेष्ठ नागरिक का उपाधि दिया।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
So that is flowing in your blood, right?
यस,
और
जेनेटिक्स।
इतना किया है लाइफ में कि मैं कितना भी करके बैठती हूँ ना, मुझे लगता है
मेरा
ओके
कम
ठीक
है।
है, हाँ बहुत ही कम है, बताने लायक भी नहीं है
यू
इनका
माइट बी
देखो।
थिंकिंग लाइक दैट बट वी आर नॉट।
हाउ स्वीट, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक
आपके
यू।
नाम का मतलब और बता दें निबुमिता जी।
हाँ, नाम का मतलब है न्यू फ्रेंड, नई दोस्त। नोबो मीन्स न्यू,
Wow,
ओह,
that's
ओके।
lovely.
नाउ
That's
मीता,
lovely.
एंड मीता इज फ्रेंड।
So I think you got two new friends. I think मैं नहीं हूँ, अंशुल जी तो पुराने आपके फ्रेंड है।
You know, so it's not
बिल्कुल।
only we two, but today in Nebomita, so many million billion of
Yes,
women and the men who are associated with our this movement, we
yes,
all got a wonderful friend today, Nebomita.
wonderful.
And
Yes, agree.
yeah, it's the other way you like we got friendly to each other. It's lovely knowing the journey and the kind of brought up you carry along.
Hmm.
So as I said, somewhere it is flowing in your genes, it's flowing in your blood, wherein you got from your parents. And as earlier also I mentioned, I strongly believe into it that any tree is not dependent about or it's should not be can be seen as a grown tree only because of its height, but
Hmm.
whatever is there, it is because of the roots. So the kind
Hmm.
of roots that you carry, it's very important, and that is reflected in your this description about your mummy, about your nanaji. So it's lovely, and I think the way we people have been nurtured, it's really we are thankful to our parents, and
True.
my gratitude to your parents, your mother, your nanaji, your father, because of whom we have somebody so successful, and
Yeah.
though so humble, grounded, so simple, and as we initially
And beautiful.
and beautiful. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's simple, that's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And see, let me just tell all the viewers here, Nibomita, like if I, share about her accolades, about her achievements, trust me, it carries 8 pages of achievements.
Hmm.
Yet, if you talk to her in person, also not here virtually, but in person,
Hmm.
you will find such a simple lady, such a soft-spoken girl, how she did all such beautiful achievements she is carrying. And it is not only in India,
Hmm.
yet she has been awarded, she has been acknowledged by so many different countries. And I think UN also, she was invited once for her speech, and some foreign universities also invited her to deliver her speech. So it's I am amazingly in love with you, Nibamita. So it's really beautiful. Yeah, it's great having you today with us.
निबुमिता मैम, एक मधुकर शुक्ला जी के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
जी, वो मेरे I mean, वो बहुत ही बड़े फैकल्टी है
जी,
एक्सेल के, राइट।
जी।
बट देन बिफोर आई से समथिंग अबाउट हिम, आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन थिंग। आप दोनों को सुन के ना मुझे लगता है हम तीनों को रोज बात करनी चाहिए, मैं बहुत खुश
ऑफ
हुई।
कोर्स, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
मैं सीरियसली थैंक यू सो मच। आप लोगों ने बात करना शुरू किया ना, तो राइट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टॉक आई स्टार्टेड टीयरिंग अप,
ओह
so
माय
now I'm
गॉड,
trying to hold back my tears.
ओह
Thank
माय
you so
गॉड।
much. You're very sweet. इतना प्यार मिलता है ना, बहुत खुशी होती है। ये हम लोगों के लिए सबसे बड़ा पेचक है। थैंक यू
यू नो
सो
दैट
मच।
इज योर हम्बलनेस निबुमिता जी। आपका जो अंदर वो जिसे बोलते हैं ना, आपके हम्बलनेस ही आपका कार्य क्षेत्र पे दिखता है जिसे बोले तो, लाइक वो ग्रेटिट्यूड्स हैं, लाइक मुझे लग रहा है वो दैट्स व्हाई दिस बॉन्डिंग इज हैपनिंग।
So as we say na, that what you gives is what you gains or what comes back to you. So this is
यस,
something I think, Nebomita, without fail I can say that the way you are working for different communities, for humanity, for so many other causes, it's the very small token of love that you are getting in return. So you
यस।
deserve something beyond, and you will keep getting that, I'm sure. And we'll keep, knowing about you off and on whenever we'll get time. Nibomita, my, one of the questions wherein indeed reports that future may so many jobs that, as we are discussing at different platforms, that bots are going to acquire so many jobs, or human power would be eradicated, or they will lose their jobs. Bots will acquire all the jobs. Yet the Indeed report says that women in future will have more jobs than men.
Mm.
What would be your take on this, and how like we can relate it to the the present scenario, and how we can expect that women will have more jobs, or uh, what would you say about this report?
Yes, Anshulji, this is one thing that I researched since 2010 on future of work, and by 2016 we were on the verge that the entire industry was saying that boss will take away our jobs. We will not have jobs, then who will pay our taxes, right? Because boss do not pay taxes. Now, 2016, right? Something happened. If you remember, 2016, the Maternity Act of India was amended, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
suddenly 6 months of 6 months of
6 months
uh,
paid leaves, paid leaves.
Paid
it
leaves.
was a brilliant news. And even after 6 months, there was a provision which was made for work from home. Now, in press, if you remember, there were a lot of negative articles. A lot of leaders started saying women will not be hired. Who works
Mm.
from home?
Mm.
It is not practical. We
Mm.
cannot really do it. They will lose out on their careers. And these these were so hurtful that we started really working hard on that. I would want to quote ma'am
जी.
Minka ji. Yes, I have her picture with me because she's literally the god to me. I mean,
Mm.
वो मेरे सामने होती है, मुझे लगता है मैं भगवान देख रही हूँ.
Oh.
Now,
Right.
one thing she said is कि जब तक diversity she said it कि जब तक एक room full of people में एक अचानक से woman enter कर रही है, she looks at them and generally क्या होता है, she looks at them and she thinks that wow, they are ahead of me. But जब तक ये situation नहीं आता है, the moment she enters the room, the men in the room look at her and say that wow, we could have been her. We are not.
Wow. No, that's a
तब
great one.
तक कोई
Actually, yeah,
equality
that's a
नहीं
great
होती
one.
है. That's the
True, true.
beautiful part. Now,
Hmm.
I mean, obviously, that kind of a vision really pushes you further. We started really working hard on segments, on data collection, and that's exactly where we realized that the bot will definitely be taking up a lot of repetitive work, but then it will not take away a job.
जी.
Yes, a lot of jobs will be will get narrowed down, right? Because those repetitive tasks will be gone, but the expert level human orientation, the human
Skill
part
lab.
will
Yeah.
definitely be there, and that will actually have a lot higher complication, which is why the payment is going to be higher. At the same point of time, it will require very high level of empathy, which is where we identified that these would be the women oriented jobs, that which is exactly Indeed came up with, right? Women are automatically high on empathy. Now, last year, right? The moment, I'm so sorry, I shouldn't say this, but then it took a disruption of that world, of that pandemic stature, to teach the entire industry that work from home is absolutely possible.
Hmm.
Definitely, we do not need a lot of people to sit in the office. And honestly, the entire 9 to 5 cubicle oriented work design was designed
Yeah.
for men. Women do not need to sit in the office for so long. They do
Hmm.
not need to go and network after office hours. They can network very differently. They can get their jobs done very differently. They need to be home, right? And they work very differently than men. So that's exactly what the pandemic taught the world. And this is the exact point of time wherein, right from Harvard to IIM, came up with research studies wherein the requirement of communication was highest, because the companies who were using the video conferencing started putting down mandates and putting down guidelines, directories on what should be communicated on a video conference call and what you cannot.
Okay.
Think about it. It took something so big, right, to create this huge level of job opportunity for women. In such a situation, now that yes, we are still in the in the part wherein it is almost 3+2+2 kind of a work
Hmm. Right.
environment, wherein in 3 days we work from home, 2 days we go to office, and then
Good
two,
one.
2 days there are weekends.
जी.
Even after this, when people go back to office, the the remote work will still be growing, right? And that remote work with higher empathy level will only go to women. So that's my take, and that's completely a prediction which has been proven by many research, not
Very
just
true.
us saying in 2016.
जी.
People worldwide are saying that.
निपुमिता मैम, एक बात बताइएगा मेरे को, जैसे हमने बात की अभी कि 2020 कौन भूलेगा इस साल को, लेकिन ड्यूरिंग दैट पेंडेमिक बहुत सारे लोगों की वर्ल्ड वाइड, बहुत सारे लोगों को घर बैठना पड़ा, उनकी जॉब गई. तो उन जैसे लोग जो घर पे बैठे हैं, जो जॉब अभी भी सर्च कर रहे हैं, जो भी रीजन रहा, फाइनेंस का रीजन रहा, और डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं हम विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करते हैं, तो यदि हम मेल को भी देखें तो कहीं ना कहीं उनके लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा टफ ईयर 2020 रहा. तो what is your call for those people who are sitting back at home, due to this pandemic or COVID?
Okay, people who are searching jobs now, right? I took a session sometime back for a company, right, wherein we held this orientation program on helping people getting back to their jobs. And the biggest difference, right, with job hunting in 2019 and job hunting in 2021 has this. In 2019, the jobs were essentially all about fitment, right? If you fit the kind of requirement that they have, you get the job. In 2021, it is all about understanding the problem which the hiring manager or the employer has. If you understand that problem, you go and get the job. Most of the jobs are not exactly, that doesn't require you to go to office. A lot of jobs are remote right now. At the same point of time, the hiring numbers are only increasing in the metros, right? Which is a trend which is not going to sustain for long, because non-metros hiring will also start soon. However, if you want to crack in such a market, all you have to do is to understand the core problem for which, right when you receive the first call from an interviewer, you know what is the job description, you know what the role is, and probably you have already applied for it, so you have already researched for it. In your research, include the post-COVID world solutions that you bring into the world, right? We had a session, right, in which we were taking on roles into marketing. What kind of a post-COVID strength can you bring in technology? What kind of a post-COVID business environment strength are you adding in technology? If you think in these terms, yes, in spite of the numbers that you see, or in spite of the rate of hiring that you see, you will be able to crack into that entire rat race. And take my words, the opportunities are not too far away. There are a lot of jobs which are not paying much higher than before, even though seemingly it might look that no, it is not a very high pay. But वही काम के लिए शायद 2019 को आपको कोई उतना भी नहीं पैसे देगा, right? So that way a lot of things are different. In fact, just day before yesterday, I was talking to a friend. He runs a hiring company, a very successful hiring company. He's based out of Massachusetts. So I was talking to him about the hiring situation in US and Europe, and he was saying this is exactly the same trend there. And yes, exactly what we shared in our masterclass. He said that is exactly what we are doing in our lab too. We are helping them identify solutions in the post-COVID world so that they get hired sooner. And the trend will change soon as the business will pick, and we remain positive for that.
निपुमिता जी, मुद्रा लोन के बारे में आप बहुत डिस्कस करते हैं, उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू दीजिए.
मुद्रा लोन, okay, मुद्रा लोन is a success story जिसके लिए भारतवर्ष को याद किया जाएगा. मान लीजिए मेरी बात, right? मान लीजिए मेरी बात. एक ऐसी it's not that कि ऐसा कोई लोन इससे पहले था नहीं, but every idea is about implementation. इसको इतनी अच्छी तरह से implement किया गया. अगर आपको ये लोन के बारे में, सिर्फ ये लोन के success stories चाहिए, I would suggest y'all listen to. I know she keeps very busy because she's a very big person. This is Susha Vajpayee. She was the National General Secretary to Mahila Mukti Morcha. Right now, she is running the Atmanirbhar mission for the Khadi Gram Udyog. and she was one of the person who implemented and is one of the person behind the Mudra loan success story.
Okay.
Because of her, I have my knowledge, and the the kind of success stories that Mudra loan have created because of the reach and uh, the fast degree of getting the loans disbursed. Right? Even now, you might see a lot of shops, a lot of loans, business loans, and this every kind of loans everywhere. बट वो मिलने में ही इतना प्रॉब्लम होगा कि उससे पहले शायद आपका रेवेन्यू आ जाएगा.
Documentation is
कल उनको वैसे नहीं
जी.
देते हैं. वो उसमें कोई कोलैटरल नहीं होता है.
हम्म.
वो अप टू 6 लाख आप बिना कोलैटरल में आपको मिल सकता है. आपको बैंक से ही मिलती है.
जी.
एंड जैसे उषा वाजपेयी जी है, वैसे ही बहुत सारे उनकी बहुत बड़ी टीम है जिनके थ्रू से आप ये कनेक्ट करें तो आपको ये लोन मिल सकता है. और
जी.
बहुत कम इंटरेस्ट में ही आपको पे करना होता है.
हम्म.
और ये वाला इतना सक्सेस स्टोरीज बनाया है इन इंडिया, भारत एंड इनटू द लैंड ऑफ भारत, जहाँ पे शायद आप लोग कोई नहीं गए हो. हम ग्रेटफुल है क्योंकि हमें लेके गया है, हमें ले जाया गया वहाँ पे. हम देखे हैं वहाँ के सक्सेस स्टोरीज, और वहाँ पे यंग वुमेन वो लोन्स लेके अपना बिजनेस चला के लोन रीपे करके अभी और आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. तो ये बहुत बड़ी सक्सेस स्टोरी है. इसके लिए भारत को याद किया जाएगा. अगर सिर्फ मुद्रा लोन आपको सुननी है तो उनसे जरूर मैं कांटेक्ट करा सकती हूँ. वो अमेजिंग. आई मीन that's one of the history which has changed India.
Why not? Why not?
oh, lovely.
Surely.
We will certainly, request the viewers also, whosoever is interested, they can get connected to us. And
Yes, they can ask their questions.
Nebomita.com is one-stop solution for everything. And as she's emphasizing again and again, we should know the problem, we should identify the problem. And that is a kind of, style statement also. You find out the problem and solve it. And this is what she does even with her, this new firm, nebomita.com. She always try providing the solutions to the problems. So Nebomita, one more thing, like, see, when we studied, there were 2-3 kinds of jobs were available, and we used to call them blue collar job, white collar job. But these days a new trend has come up, wherein it is called a new collar job. So please, please share about what is this terminology that is being coined for, and what all it covers under it.
New collar job is a terminology which is largely used by IBM, right? Ginny Rometty, if you see her speech in World Economic Forum, right, 2019, she opens the she delivers the opening speech at WEF, and the first thing that she starts talking about is the new collar jobs. New collar jobs are the jobs which were not there in any portal or any job site even 15 months back, 15 months, right? Or maybe even lesser, right? They were not there. Even 6 months back, the job was not there. Suddenly, there are 1,700 jobs, 3,000 jobs in that segment, right? Those are new collar jobs. What exactly is happening? See, business changes all the time, right? Which is how the requirement changes. Remember, I said that job hunting in 2019 was very different because it was all about fitment. Whereas right now the jobs are very different. This is because of those new collar jobs, which has expanded overnight, right? They have literally grown with a multiplier effect. And what these jobs have is they are a combination of business requirement, which may not have any predecessor to it, right? Suppose client scientific what wait I can't recall the entire name, but yeah, it was a very very cool name. And what my initial concept was, maybe a client servicing representative. But then when I looked into the job, no, it was not a client servicing representative. It was a person who is understanding the entire client's requirement, right? Almost working as a researcher there without actually talking about it, getting all the data, right? Without any long form to be filled, just using their own understanding to get that data, taking it back to the company, implementing it into the product development, and creating that kind of a product which will actually work for the client. So
Hmm.
these are the new collar jobs, right, which was not thought of before and which is the need of the hour right now. The business have changed drastically, right? The
Hmm.
change started that, I mean, take my word, yes, the pandemic changed the world very fast. Had it not been pandemic, it would have still changed. Maybe at not this pace. The pace would have been a lot slower. There might have been different reason which would have pushed the world. But ये change आता ही, right? और यही new collar jobs है जिनके लिए ना कोई डिग्री है, ना कोई ट्रेनिंग है, ना
जी.
कोई उससे पहले उस चीज के लिए हायर किया गया है, right? जिस जॉब के लिए, I mean, these are the typical kind of jobs जिसके लिए you don't need 5 to 7 years of experience, right? You just need to understand what they are trying to hire you for, and that's exactly what I mean what I mentioned earlier कि अभी जो जॉब I mean अभी जो जॉब इंटरव्यूज पे जा रहे हैं उनको यही देखना है कि वो जॉब में डिलीवर क्या करना है, बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी जॉब नाउ राइट नाउ इज अ न्यू कॉलर जॉब. कोई भी वो फॉर्मेट में नहीं हायर कर रहा है जो 2019 को कर रहा था. अभी सारा फॉर्मेट डिफरेंट हो गया है. सो अंशुल जी, व्हाट न्यू कॉलर जॉब्स might have been I mean a bunch of new collar jobs might have been available in 2019. Right now every job in the market is a new
Is
collar
blue
job.
collar job. Great. That's a good one. Because it is more about, multitasking these days, and
Yeah.
it is not confined to a one particular kind of role or one particular kind of skills. So yeah, good to know that every job is new collar job, that in today's time. So Nibomita, see, you have been associated with various organizations, and some places like MSME, CII, you are at the, the top notch kind of roles there. So what would be your take on, since the job market scenario or maybe the entrepreneurship scenario is not that rosy at present, though the future is quite bright. So what would you suggest to the people and to the viewers who are viewing today's program, that if they want to start something and with a very limited capital, see, the one who are in jobs, they may not be able to start with the huge capital, or they can seed up a huge amount of money there. So what would be your suggestion to such people, that what kind of areas they should look forward for, and how they can generate money out of it, and what would be the patience level that they need to carry, or they should keep in mind that within this span of time, because normally what happens, start to kar dete hain ek baar, but sustainability is very
It's very important.
difficult.
True.
So please suggest, what would be your opinion about it, that what kind of entrepreneurship sectors or segments people can look forward for.
Okay. Thank you, Anshul ji. This is the exact problem that we are brainstorming in every CEO session or boardroom session that we attend, or we have been attending since February 2020, right? Every company is affected because the revenue is down. Having said that, the revenue is not down for every segment, right? E-com बहुत आगे गया है. FMCG initially जब तक वो logistics set नहीं हुआ था तब तक हिट थी. FMCG उसके बाद बहुत upgrade गई है, right? बहुत सारे fintech का demand बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा है since February 2020, right? So there are segments जो बहुत ज्यादा आगे गए हैं. I do have a presentation on that as well. वो वाला जो पोस्ट कोविड वर्ल्ड है, वो वाला पूरा मार्केट रेवेन्यू से आप खुद ही देख सकते हो कि कौन कौन से एरियाज है जो which is working strong and which will probably work strong within next 15 months. Why are we taking that point of time? See, right now, I believe this is the right point of time to start any product if you have not started as yet, because अभी आपको रेवेन्यू की चिंता नहीं करनी है क्योंकि रेवेन्यू किसी के पास नहीं आ रहा है. सिर्फ खर्चा बहुत कम रखना है. वैसे भी आप घर से ही काम करने वाले हो तो होपफुली आपका खर्चा कम ही होगा. प्रॉब्ली जो बेसिक एक्सपेंसेस है उतना ही आपको मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कंपनीज को प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज की बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो अगर आपने कोई नई प्रोडक्ट बनाया है या कोई नई फॉर्म ऑफ सर्विस शुरू की है तो दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू पायलट. एक बार वो प्रोडक्ट आपने पायलट कर लिया तो दिस विल हेल्प यू इवन रीच आउट टू द टारगेट मार्केट सेगमेंट जो आपका है, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली वेयर यू build your your initial revenue stream, you're not building your revenue as yet, stream आप build कर रहे हो कि चलिए आपने 20 कंपनीज के साथ पायलट किया था, तो एटलीस्ट 3 ने तो बोला ठीक है हम लोग 3 महीने के लिए इसको ट्राई करके देखते हैं, तो आपका स्ट्रीम बिल्ड हुआ है। अभी धीरे धीरे उसको कैसे उसमें रेवेन्यू लाना है, ऑब्वियसली देयर आर लॉट मोर ऑफ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग जिसको करना पड़ेगा। आराम से वहां से रेवेन्यू हर जगह से आएगा, क्योंकि द वर्ल्ड इज ओपनिंग अप, बिजनेसेस आर ओपनिंग अप। पूरे टाइम कोई पैसा लेके बैठ नहीं सकता है, पैसा सर्कुलेशन में ही आएगा ही। इनफैक्ट आना बहुत बहुत हद तक स्टार्ट किया है। इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग the segments which are already doing well, then you're already good to go. If you're targeting the segments which will do well in 15 months from now, suppose homestays, right, or services or travel industry, जो और टाइम लगेगा 1-1.5 साल तक, अगर आप टेस्ट रन करना चाहते हो उस सेगमेंट का प्रोडक्ट को, उस हिसाब से आप अपना खर्चा डिवाइड कीजिए और प्रोडक्ट बिल्ड करके टेस्ट कर लीजिए। आइडियली ये आई मीन ये वाला पॉइंट अगर नहीं होता तो it would have been a very highly competitive market, one product eating out each other. But then, I mean, they say that every dark night have a silver lining. There is a silver lining to every dark cloud. So that's exactly what it is. कि अभी revenue कम है, इसीलिए competition बहुत differently है, right? आपको मायूसी दिखेगी। I'm not saying कि this is something that you should take advantage of, but since the chips are down right now, jump high, leap high, and grab the market opportunity which nobody else is thinking of right now. This is the lowest cost launching phase for any product, I believe. इसके बाद एक बार मार्केट हाई हो गया, प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कॉस्ट बहुत हाई होगा। आपको थोड़ा सा पायलट करने के लिए भी बहुत खर्चा करना पड़ेगा, मार्केटिंग करनी पड़ेगी, बिल्ड बनानी पड़ेगी। अभी सब ऐसे ही आपको सुन लेंगे, बस आप एक अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनाओ और उस सेगमेंट को हिट करो।
Oh,
Great.
Good to know. So
That's a different one.
Yeah. So one thing that you mentioned about you have a presentation over this. So from where and how they can get connected to this presentation, Nebomita? The viewers, if they want to, go to that presentation, where it would be available?
Presentation, I have used it in certain sessions. I have to see if those sessions are live, or else they can reach out to me. I can organize a session for them.
Okay.
I mean, I'm anyhow available. I'm on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. My email ID is simple. It's navomita@navomita.com. Reach out to me, or you can reach out to Anshul and Niti ji as well. If they have time, I can arrange it for them as well.
No,
whatever that
so
works.
we'll have a separate session again, dedicatedly only for that entrepreneurship. Yeah.
Yes, we can.
फिर से बात कर रहे हैं। अरे भगवान ने मेरी सुन ली इतनी जल्दी, थैंक यू।
अच्छा निबू, मैं तो मैम एक बात बताएं, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो उलझनों से सुलझ के ऊपर उठते हैं, लाइक कभी डाउनफॉल भी होता है इंसान की लाइफ में, तो कभी ऐसा आपकी लाइफ में भी हुआ है जब आपको लगा नहीं बस अब बहुत हुआ, मैं बैक सीट ले लेती हूँ, अब मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, तो उस समय वो जब उस में थे आप, क्या बोले उसको, उस मंजर में थे या उस मनोस्थिति में थे, तब आप उस चीज से कैसे उभरे? लाइक जो भी अभी उस मनोस्थिति में है तो वो कैसे अपने आप को कोप अप करें उस स्थिति से?
नीति जी, लाइफ में ना एक ह्यूमरस पॉइंट होता है, राइट? दैट ह्यूमरस पॉइंट इज, मजाक ही मैं बोलूं कि सक्सेस आपको एक दिन मिलेगा, बाकी सारे दिन आपको सिर्फ फेलियर्स मिलेंगे। मैं रोज सवेरे उठती हूँ, हर जगह से रिजेक्टेड होती हूँ, मैं रोज सवेरे उठती हूँ, कुछ करती हूँ, वो फेल ही होता है, बट देन वो फेलियर इन अ लॉन्ग रन फेलियर नहीं रहता है, राइट? वो फेलियर ही सक्सेस बिल्ड करता है। आई एम ग्रेटफुल, आई हैव बीन इनवाइटेड टू एक सेशन था, वो उसको कहा जाता है फक अप नाइट, वो ग्लोबली है, सिलिकॉन वैली, पेरिस में, हर जगह जहाँ पे लोग जाके अपने फेलियर्स, सारे सक्सेसफुल लोगों को वो लोग बुलाते हैं और वो लोग अपने फेलियर्स बोलते हैं। मैं भी जाके वहाँ पे स्पीच देके आई हूँ, आई कैन शेयर द लिंक विद यू, जहाँ पे मैंने अपने लाइफ के सारे फेलियर्स को बोला है, और उसके बाद मैं फिर से जा रही हूँ वो स्पीच देने नेक्स्ट वीक गुवाहाटी में। तो फेलियर्स का क्या है ना, कि ये आप सिर्फ यही आपके लिए गारंटीड है, सक्सेस गारंटीड नहीं है।
That's a great one.
रोज आपको फेल होना है, रोज आपको रिजेक्शन लेना है, राइट? मैं ये इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि 2006 से मैंने प्रोडक्ट बनाया है, 2016 से मैं सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट नहीं, मैं बहुत कुछ और भी कर रही हूँ, और हर एक फील्ड में सिर्फ ग्रोथ का मुझे फेलियर ही मिलता है। बट देन वो फेलियर जब एट द एंड ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग लुक बैक करते हैं, वो those failures, the daily failures are the reason जो कि हमें बिल्ड करता है, और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम अपना गोल अचीव करते हैं। हमें इतना रिजेक्शन मिलता है, आई मीन फॉर एग्जांपल लेट मी टेल यू, मुझे प्रेस में राइट फ्रॉम पोप यूएस टू चाइना की मैगजीन, जो अभी अभी तो हम लोग नहीं उसको पढ़ सकते क्योंकि वो बैंड है, टू सिंगापुर टू हांगकांग, आई मीन वर्ल्ड वाइड, इनफैक्ट फ्यू डेज बैक आई वाज कोटेड इन अर्जेंटीना, साउथ कोरिया, ये सारे कंट्रीज में जहाँ पे मैं अभी तक पहुंची भी नहीं हूँ, वहाँ की प्राइम टाइम मीडिया ने मुझे कवर किया है। मैंने आज तक 1 रुपए पीआर में खर्चा नहीं किया। आई एम ग्रेटफुल, फिर भी सब मुझे सुन रहे हैं। आई मीन कोई अपना टाइम मुझे दे रहा है, मैं जो बोल रही हूँ वो सुन रहे हैं। आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल। दिस इज टुडे, राइट? ये एक दिन का सिचुएशन है। जब मैं प्रोडक्ट बिल्ड कर रही थी ना, हाँ, तब मैं जब आई मीन जब हमारा फर्स्ट 100 मिलियन यूनिक हमने क्रॉस किया था 2012 में, जब ये बहुत बड़ी बात थी, एक इंडियन स्टार्टअप 100 मिलियन यूनिक, एक बहुत टेक वर्ल्ड के लिए इट वाज रियली अ मूविंग थिंग, बिकॉज हमें पता था सिलिकॉन वैली में क्या बिल्ड हो रहा है, पेरू में क्या बिल्ड है, कहाँ क्या बिल्ड हो रहा है, हमें पता था। तो वो स्टोरी लेके मैं एक प्राइम टाइम मीडिया हाउस में एक बहुत अच्छे एडिटर के पास में गई, और उन्होंने मेरी बात सुनी, और पूरी मेरी आई मीन पूरा मतलब मैं पूरा पूछा कि कैसे किया, क्या सब था। तब तो मुझे इतना कुछ आई मीन कैसे स्टोरी पुट इन करना चाहिए वो सब मुझे पता नहीं था। पर फिर भी जो भी मैंने बताया वो उन्होंने बहुत ध्यान से सुना, और सुन के मुझे बोला इसमें स्टोरी कहाँ है। So that was my beginning. I have been really even I mean if I start telling you the amount of rejection I receive on a daily basis, you will probably not believe it. आपको भरोसा नहीं होगा, आपको लगेगा मैं कोई स्टोरी सुना रही हूँ। बट आज भी मुझे रिजेक्शन मिलता है। जो काम मैं कर रही हूँ शायद उसी वही काम जो 100 बार मैं कर चुकी हूँ, वो करके भी मैं फेल होती हूँ। But that is just a temporary position. Failure is not the end game. End game is success. Failure is just the process. Go for the end game.
Oh, great.
Exactly. So as it is, even the Winston Churchill said, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. So it is the sustainability is always, depending upon the amount of courage that you carry throughout this journey, because success is not the destination. It is a journey towards that destination.
It is a journey. And you only move from one success to another, and the path is filled with failure, but that doesn't stop you. That actually makes you more successful.
Yeah, it is always a kick to go for something new. It's a motivation that McGregor says X and Y. So it is both the kinds of motivation that you get. So it's a part of success, I would say.
Is there something, Nebumita ji?
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting. और एक चीज होता है कि हर एक सक्सेस, राइट, आपको लगता है कि इसके लिए आपने इतना मेहनत किया। मैं अपने एग्जांपल से बोल रही हूँ कि हर एक सक्सेस से 100 फेलियर क्रिएट होता है, 100 दुश्मन आते हैं, 100 प्रॉब्लम्स आती है। सक्सेस इज नॉट अ सोल्यूशन, वो एक्चुअली में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करती है। वेयर एज फेलियर से आपको सच्चे दोस्त मिलते हैं, अच्छे लोग मिलते हैं, सॉलिड दिमाग में आइडियाज आते हैं, सॉलिड बिजनेस बनती है। तो आई मीन मैं सक्सेस, यस आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू सक्सेस, राइट, बट मैं सिर्फ सक्सेस की पुजारी नहीं हूँ, मैं फेलियर्स को भी ग्रेट ग्रेटिट्यूड देती हूँ।
How do you de-stress yourself? बहुत जरूरी होता है, पता, बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है लेडीज की जिंदगी में। तो एज ए लेडी आपको कैसे डी-स्ट्रेस करते हैं कि अरे भैया माय टाइम?
Okay, honestly, there are a lot of things that should help anyone de-stress. But मैं सबसे पता है क्या किस चीज से खुश होती हूँ? जब मैं किसी को सुनती हूँ। आपको अभी सुन रही हूँ ना, मैं आज के लिए पूरी फ्रेश हो गई, मैं बहुत खुश हो गई। मैं कल परसों कभी भी अचानक से मुझे कुछ दिमाग में आएगा, मैं आप लोगों की बात याद करूंगी, मुझे बड़ी खुशी हो जाएगी।
Oh my God, so nice.
This literally, I mean, this gives me a lot of energy. This gives me the energy to move ahead. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला ना कि मुझे कोई कोई कमेंट करता है, ट्वीट करता है, मैं जाके आंसर करती हूँ। अभी भी ट्विटर पे भी मेरे बहुत सारे ट्वीट मुझे आंसर करना था। इतना प्यारे प्यारे ट्वीट मुझे भेजे, इतना प्यार भेजा है, आई मीन सीरियसली मेरा पेट भर जाए वही वही पढ़ के।
Wow.
इतना इतना प्यार मिलता है, एंड दैट अलोन is enough to distress me.
Oh my
That alone is enough. I mean, I receive a lot of good energy, and I'm grateful for that. I, I literally can't get enough of it. I mean, मुझे कोई 100 बार भी वो चीज लिखे तो मैं exactly और 100 बार खुश हो जाऊंगी कि
You're so
अभी सुना ये, thank you.
So you know, this is one of the traits that leaders carry, that communication, which is very, very, very important. And let me tell all the viewers also that our you know, former president and the missile man, Dr. Abdul Kalam, you know, he was having one habit, just like you, Nebomita. So many people might not be knowing this, that first of all, the student community or the education was the most closest to his heart. Secondly, whichever institute he used to go, he used to mention that whatever question you have, please ask me. And trust me, it was you know, the milestone that he never broke, that within 24 hours of the question that was asked, he used to respond to that question. So that is something, the communication is one of the biggest pillar for you know, any kind of relationship, any kind of bond that you want to create, whether it is about your success, about your failure. If the communication is not good, you may fail into certain activities. But ultimately, communication is something that will lead to you know, even the happiness for that matter. When you are saying कि किसी की बात सुन के आप खुश हो जाते, तो that is also a kind of communication that is happening you know, between you and the person. So it's really, really good to know. And see, we will be having, you know, questions from viewers also. So viewers can raise their hand, or maybe they can ask their question in the chat box.
Yes, they can. I think they're also good listeners.
That is also very important.
They are listening us properly.
Because I always you know, believe into that, if something is been hitting your head or hitting your thoughts so deeply, you take time to come out of it. So the kind of conversation that is happening today with Nebomita, I think the gist of it is that whatever you are saying is so convincing, so you know, fair in its term.
Yes.
I think we all are getting so convinced about it. And we will have the founder of this movement, global movement. Let me tell the viewers again, this is a global movement, women empowerment movement, wherein it is started by Mr. D.K. Bakshi, and we do have presence in more than 20 countries. And the massive and major presence is here in our India. And we do have so many chapters off the line, on the line, across India and across globe as well. So I would request Mr. Bakshi to please come online. Bakshi sir.
He calls himself as an honorable woman.
Yeah, because he is working for that cause. Where
yes, actually.
Yeah. So he
and it's a true motivator.
He empathizes and he understands with the women so well that he started this movement wherein you know, without asking anything, he's planning to give so much back to the society and so much back to the women power. Yeah.
A very good evening, sir. Shubh Sandhya. Shubho Shondho.
First of all, my folded hands to Nebomita ma'am. First of all, they are friends. Now I am also your, not only a friend, but a fan today.
Oh.
I tell you, I salute you as a woman of excellence, a woman of elegance, a woman of substance. I have been your follower on the Facebook. Twitter, I was not. I just became your follower a few minutes back. And I know your story, but I did not know the way.
Hmm.
Today, the entire world is understanding what Nivedita Madam is. And as rightly said by my two powerhouses of women power, Anshu and Niti, they really beautifully took out a lot of beauty from this beautiful face. First of all, I would like to talk about this global movement of women power. 100,000 women to be on this platform by 2021, 1 million by 2024. That is the mission. We are spread in 20 countries and we keep doing things a lot. I do every Saturday event. I'm so extremely happy when Anshul and Niti said, give us one Saturday. And I gave one Saturday in a month.
We snatched it.
Then Shafali from Noida, give me one Saturday. I gave one. Then Milani said from Spain, she said, give me one Saturday. I gave one to her also. I am left with only one Saturday. That is the power of women. And I would like to share, I have been listening it entire full program. First of all, my great respects to your mom.
Yeah.
I heard about her. She is a super duper women power.
Yes.
When you go home, when you meet her, touch her feet on my behalf.
My
In
behalf,
our behalf as well.
in my behalf also.
Yes, somebody is saluting her for
Yeah.
what she is. So she is the quality of life who brought such a beautiful, wonderful, elegant face to us. And not only the face, the strength of creating something unknown, unheard, unbelievable, unparalleled. Unknown, unheard, unbelievable, unparalleled.
Yeah.
I have from human resources 34 years, and I learned from, I had many XLRIs in my teams in India as well as abroad. And I learned from this XLRI graduate today, how did she change that glass rooms to being in kitchen or anywhere
Yeah.
and created a model which is unbelievable. That's why it's unbelievable, unheard, unparalleled, unknown.
Yeah.
So,
Agree.
True, true.
so I mean, I'm amazed. I mean, I'm looking at you and trying to tell you, can you be my mentor?
Oh my God. Wow.
Because when I need to be the mentor to this women power, I will tell you, I'm selfish on it because I would like you to be the mentor of this women power, hashtag women power global movement for one important thing, which you have hit me today, is that, first of all, I would like to say, this is where DK Bakshi or Global Talent Company or my family will not pick up any dollar, any rupee, any baht. I am not here for money. So I let me clear, DK Bakshi, I am on live right now. Whosoever is watching us now, whosoever will be watching us later, that is my commitment to this women power. DK Bakshi or Global Talent Company or DK Bakshi's family will not pick up $1, 1 rupee, 1 baht out of it. But to mentor my women to create this model as a revenue model, all these women who are involved can generate, is an NGO, can generate and can earn after contributing this. That will be the mentorship I would require from you. Because in case you can mentor that concept, and these women who are spending time on this, and they get rewarded, recognized. Money is an important recognition. Money is not everything. Money is an important recognition when women spend time in, while this is their family time, this is their kids' time, this is their mother-in-law's time, this is their mother's time, this is many, many things they have to do. They're multitask. I mean, all women, mother, my wife, I don't have a daughter, my sisters, everybody is a multitask person. So in case we can create that, make it a revenue model, I would like to take you with my folded hands as a mentor to this movement. And I would request Anshul and Niti to start discussing with you how we can do that.
Certainly.
I'm extensively on the social media, but DK Bakshi, Global Talent, my family do not require 1 rupee, 1 baht, and $1. Again, I'm repeating on this live show, which is going to be on YouTube. People will listen to this regularly. But can these women, whether it is Shafali or Sonal or Milani or Jennifer or Sunny Slaughter or Honey or all these women around the world, can we create that? For that, my request to you is one, to be our mentor for this moment. Second is when I was looking at you and when you were sharing some of the details, I'm impressed with a couple of things which has hit me hard. सपनों पे विश्वास, सच से खुद ही मारते नहीं, सच से खुद को मारो नहीं, अपने सपने पे विश्वास करो. Hey, women who are watching her now, this is what she says. She says that सपनों पे विश्वास करो, dream big, dream big, dream big. And she gave a story of XLRI professor and how did she start and how did she move forward. And the next, which is very, very important, is that she talked about find problems and go for solutions. Problem solving, decision making, I teach, but I learned today, find problems and get into solutions. Plan, do, check, and act, which I talk about: passion, dedication, commitment, and attitude. I have given a new formula to that. Because if you always do what you have always done, you will always get what you have always got, hence do things differently. With that, and another important which you said, and that shows your leadership, Nabodhita ma'am, he said, it is the team. They are much better than me. So that shows the essence, the beauty in you of the leadership trait. That it's the team, and the girls, when the ladies were asking you the question, said, no, it's not me, it is the team. They are much more efficient. You use this word. They are much more efficient than me. That talks about how strong leadership traits in your DNAs, And another point which is very, very important, which I talk about and which I keep on talking, and you have emphasized on that. I say to fall is not a failure. It is only when you do not get up again. But you taught me another lesson today. That's the reason I'm asking to be my mentor. You said that failure is a process, not an end. It is the process, not an end. And you said another thing which is very important, which you hit me, is that, and I will quote you somewhere wherever I will be talking. I keep quoting people like you. And you said another thing also, actually failures give me much more learnings, because when you are successful, you have many enemies. When failure is,
You get friends.
You get friends.
That's another aspect of your personality, persona, which you are talking about. And of course, I do agree with you, the new collar job, which we talk about in 2019. I remember when people talked in 2018, VUCA, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. And that's the time when I said in 2018, and that's on YouTube. And luckily, behind me was a date and all that of that 2018. And I said, no, I hate this VUCA. I say volatile is vision, U is unknown, unheard, unparalleled business model. C is complex. It's not complexity,
Yeah.
and A is not ambiguous. It's alignment.
Correct.
So I was on a show like the Digital Mode, and Anshu Kak, the IBM vice president from USA, was online, and she said, "This is VUCA." I said, "But I have told it long back." She said, "Oh, when?" I said, "2018." She did not believe me. And then I was so fast to take out that YouTube, which had behind me some August 2018 talking at ISTD keynote speaker and my talking about VUCA. And I sent her. The moment the process was over, within 10 minutes, she sent me. She said, "My God, so fast you sent me, and I could see it. You have spoken in 2018." What I am trying to talk to you is today, when we talked about this blue collar, this new collar job in 2019, people said they're mad. But today, entire everything is new collar. So what I believe in, thoughts become things. Thoughts become things only by action. And COVID made all of us to act.
Exactly.
So that is the COVID ability. I have created a new competency called COVID ability. Competency is already on the social media, and that competency talks about how in a crisis we move to the compassion, we move to the clout, and we move to the change, and we move to the creating something which was unimaginable. And I don't know what to say, but I can only say, and Mudra alone, I know about it. Amazing. You must get her contact, and next sessions, probably Anshul and Niti, in case she can come on board with you on this show, that will be fantastic, because it will connect her talk with the Mudra. And
Yes.
I would request you to do that. Having said that, last but not the least, again, mom ko, my salute. And to you, younger to me in HR, which year you passed out?
2006.
6.
2006.
She's
Bache.
full of tears in her eyes. I can see
Yeah.
that. I can
Yeah.
feel it.
So 2006 pass out, XLRI today, I mean, taught me so much in my life. I am a student of management and leadership. I keep learning from people like you. So therefore, mentorship now is yours. You have to mentor us. Whatever, you live in Mumbai or Delhi?
Mumbai.
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 Even if I have to come to
Mumbai.
Mumbai, I can do that. And I'm totally camping in India to be part of this. I do also many couple of things here and there, and these girls know about it. So therefore, let's get going on this mentorship of this to make it an earnable model for my ladies. That will give me an inner satisfaction, and this legacy to keep on continuing. I'm only 61, young man. I do a lot of work.
It is just a number. But she said
Yeah,
it's
it's
just a number.
Just reverse
We'll
it, sir.
soon
You
be
are
there.
16.
So we'll soon be there. It's okay. We all will be there soon.
No. Let's reverse it. It's 1/6 then.
Anshul was
Yes.
there in my office, in Noida office, and we spent a day together recently. One back. So nice of her. So therefore, from the core of my heart, and on behalf of Global Talent, and on behalf of Global Movement, Women Power, I thank you so much for sparing your time and sharing your journey of excellence. Simply elegant. Simply elegant.
Yeah.
Simply.
Goosebumps.
Yes.
Sir, goosebumps. Seriously. I mean, seriously, goosebumps. Yeah, Niti and Anshul is right. I'm almost about to tear up. Uh, I can't tell you how grateful I feel hearing what you just said. Everything that you've said about my ma. I wish she was live on this session too, but then she's somewhere right now. I will make sure she listens to this video.
She'll watch
This
it
will
soon.
Yeah.
Yes, this will make her day too. I cannot thank you enough for all the blessings that I have received.
My
Anything that I am good enough for, it will be absolutely a huge honor for me to be able to work on it, sir. Thank you so much. And I can't mentor you. You're so awesome. You're up there. Wow. Any amount of work that you feel I'm good enough for, sir, please. I'll be absolutely blessed to be able to work on that. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, I'm almost about to cry.
Oh,
Maybe if I don't
Don't cry, don't cry.
So it is, whenever your emotions liquidify, it comes in the form of tears, and it is, I'm sure it is the tears of joy that you are, having. But
Yes,
never.
I'm feeling very touched. I'm
Yeah.
feeling very touched. Thank you so much.
Same here, Nabomita ji.
So that is
Mitra.
yeah. So that is the kind of synergy. That is the kind of bond that we have created, and Nebomita. So the new friends that we
Yes.
have said today. So it is certainly we are going to take forward this bond that we have created today, and it is a bond forever. I would say it is, and it will continue.
Yes.
And in last, I though bolte हैं ना कि मन नहीं भर रहा है to just not feeling like to wind it down, but there is a protocol. We have to put a full stop to every sentence. So it is a kind of, I would say, not full stop, but it is a comma. We will come again, and
Yes.
with a new beginning, with the new kind of conversation. And I would just say this is dedicated to Nebomita. सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक हो, सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें सिर्फ छत तक जाना है, सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें सिर्फ छत तक जाना है, मेरी मंजिल तो आसमान है, रास्ता मुझे खुद बनाना है.
वाह, क्या बात है. Excellent.
So she is the one who has created her own journey.
Yes,
She
yes.
created her own path, and leaving so many landmarks, so many milestones for us and for people like us who are viewing today. And I am sure it's going to be an iconic session that we had today. And I'm really, really thankful from bottom of my heart to Nebomita and my co-host, Miss Niti Sharma.
सेम है अंशुल जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद निमोबिता जी को आज लेकर आने के लिए. उनसे इतनी प्यारी प्यारी बातें हुई हैं, इतना प्यारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ है, और जो सभी लिसनर्स आज हमारे ये प्रोग्राम जो सुन रहे हैं और जो आने वाली चीजों को सुनने वाले हैं, लाइक जो भी सेशन अब नेक्स्ट देखेंगे और जो सुन रहे हैं, उनको ये बता दें फिर से एक बार, ये मैं जरूर बोलना चाहूंगी कि वो जो लोग सोचते हैं कि पैनी खर्च के बिना हम लोग अपना कोई भी सेटअप नहीं कर सकते, प्लीज ये वीडियो जरूर देखें, जिनको पता चलेगा लिविंग रूम से एक पैनी खर्च किए हुए आप अपनी जर्नी कहाँ तक टॉप 100 वुमेन ऑफ इंडिया तक लेकर जा सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
To watch this video and salute to you Nebomita. और डेफिनेटली मैम को तो थैंक्स बोल ही दीजिएगा, उन्होंने इतनी प्यारी बेटी दी है. इतना प्यारा फ्रेंड दिया है हमें.
मम्मी बहुत.
So thank you डॉक्टर बख्शी जी. डॉक्टर बख्शी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. आप सच में मोटिवेशन है और इतने बड़े मोटिवेटर है सर कि जब भी आपसे बात हो, आपके एक मैसेज भी आपका जब आता है तो यू मोटिवेट अस लाइक एनीथिंग. वो इतना आपका इतना बड़ाइयां कर देंगे, आपको इतना सर चढ़ा लेंगे. बहुत जनरल शब्द यूज कर रही हूँ, सर चढ़ा लेंगे, क्योंकि उनका हर एक शब्द आपको मोटिवेट करता है. ही नेवर motivate you, he always motivates you. अरे you are the best, you are the one who can do this, तो जैसे उनके शब्द हैं और जैसे आपकी प्रतिमा देखने को मिल रही है निमोबिता, मुझे लग रहा है हम भी एंडलेस काम करने वाले हैं. और
बिल्कुल जरूर करते हैं. बहुत बड़ी आशीर्वाद होगी मेरे लिए. बिल्कुल करते हैं. बख्शी सर, I cannot thank you enough. Niti ji, you are awesome, and Anshul, lots of love. You are literally been my garden angel. अभी और ज़्यादा I'm grateful for knowing you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and good wishes to all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remain connected. It's a time of virtual, and it's a new era that has come to us, and COVID has certainly taught us that despite of the distances, we can remain connected. See, we all four of us are sitting at a different location, different places, but still here together. So thankful to this connectivity, this internet facility that we have. So thank you so much. Thank you all for being there with us, and remain connected. Thank you, and goodbye.
Thank you so very much. Goodbye.
God bless you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So